So guys, I'm gonna show to you a room. Here you go. Door. There you go. So there's laundry bag, utility bag, bathrobe here, drawers here. Ito yung walk-in closet nila guys. So you will put the luggage there later. There's slippers here and there's also weighing scale here. And this is the bed. So nice. And this is the tablet that you can control everything inside the room. May mga saksakan din dito. There's TV in front of your bed. There you go. So here's the bathtub guys and the shower here. This is the shower area pala. So this is the toilet. Automatic siya guys. Open. There you go. And ayan yung bathtub natin. Malaki naman siya guys. Mirrors here. Wow, laki na mirror nila. Vanity mirror. Of course, dito yung kanilang blower. And yung mga toiletries nila. Ayan, lahat yan. Dyan. I'm gonna show to you the... Hi guys! Punta kayo dun sa bed. This is the working area here. Sobrang laki niya guys. This is the living area guys. May TV din dito. So ito, i-control natin dito yung curtain. Oh, let's check the view muna. That's the view outside guys. And then may fountain mamaya dyan. So kapag pinindot natin tong close natin. Yan, magsasarado siya. Yan, magsasarado siya guys. O, diba? There you go guys. Open natin yan. And also this one. Siyempre, open din natin ito. There you go. So yan, open na siya. That's the view outside. Nice. So I'm going to open the curtain guys kasi dito yung sunrise. We open this one here. It's the sunrise guys. So this is our view here. Good morning Okada. And we can close it again. Natin siya.